Popularly known as Chief Adigun in Yoruba, the àgbè of Sọlu Aládé Kingdom, ibeju, Lekki, Lagos State. I am the first kid to become the youngest chief in the history of Yorùbá at a tender age of 5 years old. But now I am 9 years old. And I became a chief at a tender age of 5 years old in ibeju, Lekki, Sọlu Aládé Kingdom. I have met almost all the Yoruba kings in Nigeria, including Oni of Ife, Emir of Kano, King of Ede, Olowe, and the late Olubadan of Ibadan, and so many others.
Okay, next, show the person of the drink.